small collection of minerals. This is the moonstone, rainbow moonstone, which is also called as white labradorite. These are amethysts. This one is the Brazilian amethyst. This is the Indian amethyst. And this is a combination of amethyst and smoky quartz. These are rose quartz. This is 90% clear quartz. This is used in jewelry purposes. This is also called as master healer. It has many metaphysical and physical properties. I'm a sucker for quartz actually. I'm looking forward for more of these collections. This is citrine, and this is a small cluster of Himalayan quartz. I'll put a picture of how it looks like when it grows. That's how it looks like when it is grown. Project on rose quartz. Rose quartz is out of the many quartz varieties which is used as a gemstone. It gets its name from the delicate pink color, which ranges from light pink to medium dark. It contains mineral inclusions which gives it the color. The inclusions are abundant enough to make rose quartz translucent instead of transparent. Also, there's a property of rose quartz: when it is kept in sunlight for a longer period of time, it fades away. So to prevent it from fading away, we should keep it away from sunlight. This is found in abundance in many mineral deposits throughout the world. Most of the rose quartz that is sold today are produced from Brazil, Madagascar, South Africa, India, and other sources include Namibia, Mozambique, and Sri Lanka. Quartz being inexpensive and abundant, it is used in tumbled stones, and rose quartz being durable, it is used in jewelries. It is also used in small sculptures, spears, and utility items.
Rose quartz beads dating back to 700 BC have been found in the area once known as Mesopotamia, today's Iraq. Rose quartz jewelry was known to be crafted by Assyrians around 800 to 600 BC. The Assyrians, along with the Romans, might have been the first to use this stone. People in the earliest recorded times believed in the magical powers of quartz. Ancient Roman, Egyptian, and Greek civilizations used quartz crystals as potent talismans. The Romans used rose quartz as a seal to signify ownership, and Egyptians believed the stone could prevent aging. In the Middle Ages, medicinal practitioners used quartz in their healing potions. Early cultures of the Americas used quartz amulets known as the love stone. It was said to balance the emotions and to heal anger and disappointment. Asterism in mineralogy is a star-like figure exhibited in light reflected or transmitted by some crystals. The stars shown by star sapphires, phlogophyte mica, rose quartz, and garnet are due to the minute oriented crystals included within the mineral. Several sets of inclusions are present, and each set produces its own ray. In minerals with hexagonal or pseudo-hexagonal symmetry, 3 such rays produce a 6-pointed star, and in those with isosymmetric, 2 rays produce a 4-pointed star. This is the 6-pointed star. Mother Nature is incredible, isn't it? This is an article by Elizabeth that says about asterism. These are the physical properties of rose quartz. One specimen of note is La Madonna Rosa, that is the pink Madonna, that was sold for $550K, that is 4 CR in Indian rupees, in June 2013 by Heritage Auctions. This specimen is believed to have been discovered at the Sapucaia mine in Minas, Brazil in the 1950s. It consists of a central cluster of smoky quartz crystals surrounded by a halo of quartz crystals with a vivid pink color. It is about 39 centimeters tall and 20 centimeters wide.